Oh guys, we found a stray dog. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like a plain old dot, right? Wrong. Wrong. It is a good dog. And it's a stray doggy.
Are you eating with it? Are you going to put them on?
No.
Okay.
Oh, look at this doggy.
Slinky.
Slinky. Come on. We're trying to get this dog out of the way.
Yeah.
But my mom's going to help us because she needs to go to Dollar General.
Ooh, touch back into
Doggy.
No, stop. Look, let me break this up.
Oh my god. You mean necklace? Doggy, please. Ooh, your hands are sore. I don't. I don't think she likes cameras.
Whatever. Let's sit up here, okay? We can still watch it. Are you following me? Oh, we can sit on bird food. Yeah.
Yeah, get her. Yeah, it's way better.
Sorry, I took this but I won't be sitting on bird food because there's no bird food. Actually, there's none over here.
Well,
I found a piece of glass.
that's.
Okay.
Don't give that. That's plastic.
Where are you going to be recording? I don't want to follow you all the time.
What?
Where are you going to be recording? Over there or right here?
No, I'm just gonna throw away this piece of plastic.
Okay.
I think somebody pulled out a sausage that I found out. Well, guys, I'm sorry that this was such a short video, but